You see it right up there. If you go up, you can find more right there. Ain't it gorgeous? Those red berries, I think is what they call it. So that's pretty cool. Let me see if I could took it back. Okay. And look, this was just 5 minutes that he took this out. My, how you call it? My my granddaughter's father came. I said, "Hey, you want to get some?" And we split it up like we usually do. But he only took three. I think he was, full or something. And he gave me these. I said, "Well, take more." He says, "No, no, it's okay, it's okay." It's just that I just finished eating and it's gonna just stay there. So look how beautiful. Before I think it was like 2 or 3 weeks, I had a lot of bananas from this place. Let me see. Okay, well, you see that the mother died. She brought, no, it was two of them. They all both like they fell on the floor. So I asked my cousin to break it for me and bring it over here. I gave him some, and it was okay. So I gave some to my friend because I call it. She's a nice person, and I tell you, hey, you want some bananas? Yeah, I love bananas. Okay, so I'm gonna send you some, and we did. And now we have. The thing is that this tree never gave, and because of the I call it, they go there and they start eating it and all that. But there's a problem because this car right here goes under there, and I think that the shiny light scares them, so they don't get it. They don't go there. And I was always thinking of buying some sort of how you call it, something to wrap it up, and they don't take it. But I think the car did it. So that's pretty cool. And I haven't been doing much. I have been doing a lot. Oh wait, this is not only thing. Okay, let me show you. Oh boy, you see that there? That's the potatoes. I planted potatoes, and it's starting to come out. So that's cool. And the negative part is that I lost my plants. This one and the yellow one that I put on, they gone. I don't know what happened to them. So anyway, I don't know if this has seeds or not. I was planning to take it and cut it and leave this part, because I know the other one does. The yellow one, it has the seeds. So but I have to wait for it to get, how you call it, the bottom part to get black, and then that means it's ready to plant it. So that's pretty cool. Also, I also did this. Let me see if I could move here. Okay, well, aloe vera. It was a big one, but I don't want it big, because I don't have that space. So, but what I did was I took these, and I'm gonna show you over there that I have also baby ones. They when they small. This part over here, wait, this part over here, you take it, you peel it out, and you plant it in another place. So that's good. And some of the plants have gotten better. Like this one right here is full, right there, full. And this one, oh, it's getting beautiful. I thought I was gonna die. I still gotta cut some pieces from it. But how you call it? But it didn't die. As soon as the summertime came, because this winter was very hard. it was cold, especially when you're in the, how you call it, in the countryside. That you don't have like houses around you. It is hard. And I also have, how you call that? Not ginger. Um, oh my God, I forgot. Anyway, it's a plant that you have that you get, you take them out. Like for instance, this plant, right here. Not this one. This one is my pepper, green pepper. I just got it yesterday, and this thing it has like it gets like a ball or something like that. I forgot the name of it, but anyway, I'll put it in the description until so I could it's just that I haven't slept all night. Yeah, I had stomach problems and pains and stuff, so I didn't really. And my granddaughter was here, and she let me. I put on the TV. I don't know what the heck I put on, but I just fell asleep right there, and she let me sleeping. Then when her father called that he was coming, then she woke me up and said, "Tata, you gotta get up because daddy's coming." I said, "Okay." Then I said, "Oh, tell him about the cherry things there. I don't know what they call it in English, but it's full of it." And he picked up the bottom ones, the ones he could reach, and it's pretty cool. It's all over the place, but that's cool. This is the first time I actually got that much, that much. And I also have another thing. Hold on. I trying to keep it okay there. That's I bought this too. That's a tomato. It's a beef something tomato. Oh, wait a minute. I got the stick on. Hold on. Oh my God. It's called a tomato beef master. That's what it is. I put it with the same thing because, I call it, some of the plants you get, and you try to repass it, it dies. Like for instance, the two that had the flower, the yellow flower, and the other one that is all, it looks like cotton. And I put it in a bigger because it didn't have, it was all, it couldn't stretch the roots. So I decided to change it. And while I did change it, the first 2 days it looked okay. After the third day, it looked like it was going down the drain. So, but I have the seeds of the yellow one. I also have the seeds of the other one that my mother had left me. I have the seeds, those I could put now. Most likely later on I'll probably put it on. But I am very happy about it. I'm sorry I haven't been doing, how you call it, a lot of videos because, at times my body hurts. I have a condition. So I have to and look at this. These are the same ones that I just showed you over there. They're small, they come like this and small. Let me see if you can see. Small right there, little baby ones. Then they grow like that. Then it gets like a big thing. So that has been good. And I have over there, why is it blurry? I don't know. Oh, there. This part, I'm gonna show you something. I thought it was a joke. Okay. I said that that it has a certain components that eats the grease of your body. Well, I'm gonna see if I could do a live video. I had like under my chin, I had a big patch of meat there, and now I don't have it, which is I'm happy. My clothes is like woo, you. I have like a lot of meat. How you call it, cloth. So that's cool too. But this thing does work. My what I was having problem was that I don't use the bathroom, you know, to do the how you call that part the two, not number one but two. I think you know what I mean. So it was stuck in my stomach, just stuck in there. So what happens? The first time I put how you call it? I ate the first time I ate a whole bunch of these for 3 days. Then on the fourth, I ate like little strips. So yesterday I was having a lot of problems with my stomach. It was hurting, and I know that that I had it was trying to get out of this. It was like stuck inside, and until it got out. You know, but it does work. It does work. You have over there that you get over here they have a needle that they put you, but it has to be a doctor who does that, and they inject you, and is a part of the placenta or something like that. And you also have you see in the ads of YouTube. Oh yeah, you could buy this bottle for $37. But you need 6 months, so you have to buy that, and that is like around, I think it was 300 or 400. So I said I ain't got that kind of money. So when I started, saying what the nutrients that this thing had and what is it good for, one of the part was that it has a component that it gets in your stomach and it eats your grease, you know. And it's pretty good. It's pretty good. I have lost weight. Even I haven't told nobody, and everybody says, "Man, you really lost some weight. What, you sick?" I said, "No." And say, "What's your secret?" I said, "Scallions." Scallions is what they call it. Yeah, I think that's what it's called. And I'm planning to buy more next week. Look at that, look at that. Isn't that cute? Where is he? Can't get him. Oh, there. Yeah, he's eating something. They eat the little, how you call it, ants and stuff. They chop that up. But they're getting a little, like already down and this and that. So I do have seeds, but that would take more longer. So I rather just buy them. It's only $1.27. You get like seven of them. So it's pretty good. So I'm planning to buy another 2-pack, put it in there, and let these, if they die, I let it die, and then I just keep doing the other part. So, and here's my papaya. Yes. Look how beautiful. I love the way it looks. But then when they grow too much high, they don't look that beautiful. I am planning to also, I'm not saying that I'm doing it for real. I'm going to try and see if I could find the address. But there's a place that you could buy small avocados. They give you avocados, but it's a miniature. But the fruit is normal. It's just a tree. And they got bananas, plantain I don't need because I already got two of them there. And I think that my uncle put the other one here too, because I found the other day a small one there too. And I'm going, what's this? But I'm not going to complain. So then, but just wanted to tell you that I'm here. I'm here. I'm not, I'm just, at times, my body does not want to work. And I still have to make it work no matter what. Because I don't like to just stay in bed. It drives me crazy. So I get up and this and that until I could, and then I just take a nice bath and then go to bed. But I got a computer there so I could watch movies laying down. So, saying that, because I got to go out and cook. So, until next time, and I'm sorry I took too long, but I hope it was worth it. So, God bless you all. Until next time. Bye-bye.